Hello my beautiful people and welcome back to Yucee Food Empire. Today we are going to be making tomato puree. Please make sure you watch to the end and don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. The process of making tomato puree is long but fairly low effort and super simple. All you need is a knife, pot, blender, cooker and a little bit of time to stock your freezer with tomato puree to use all year round, especially now that tomatoes are cheap. Now let's get started. First of all, you have to choose ripe, fleshy and firm tomatoes like this. This is because from my experience, tomatoes that have more flesh are less juicy and they make thicker puree. I have already rinsed them under running tap to remove dirt and I'll then proceed to cutting. The tomatoes are going to be blended, so the cutting don't really need to be even. Notice I didn't allow to dry up completely, and this is because there is no way it will completely dry up without getting burnt, and that will make the puree bitter. Plus, allowing it to completely boil down will consume more gas, and you guys know the cost of gas in Nigeria now. You will know that it's ready to be taken off the heat when the puree separates from the water. The next is to transfer the puree into the mesh, so this is what I do. After creating a base by adding the puree inside the mesh, I'll go ahead and pour the first water that comes from the puree and gently pour it on the second batch. That way, the tomatoes won't waste. I'm using this place because that's what's available for now, but I prefer Ziploc bag because they freeze fast, take up less space and thaw easily. This way it can be stored in the freezer for up to 4 to 6 months without adding any preservatives to it. Fresh tomato puree is now ready. You can use this puree right away or you can freeze it for a long time. We have come to the end of today's video. Stay cool and stay blessed until I come your way again on Sunday. Bye.